Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make romaine lettuce last longer. First, select the freshest romaine possible at the grocery store. Once home, carefully remove any outer leaves that appear damaged or are starting to wilt. It's crucial not to wash your romaine until you are just about to use it, as excess moisture can significantly speed up spoilage. This simple initial step sets the foundation for extending its freshness. When you're ready to prepare your lettuce, wash each leaf individually under cool, running water to remove any dirt or debris. The most critical step for longevity is drying. Use a salad spinner to get rid of excess moisture. Spin it multiple times if needed. Absolutely ensure the leaves are completely dry before moving to storage, as even a small amount of water can lead to premature browning and sliminess. For optimal storage, wrap your thoroughly dried romaine leaves in a few sheets of paper towel. This helps absorb any residual moisture and keeps the leaves crisp. Then, place the wrapped lettuce into an airtight container or a sealed plastic bag. Storing it in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator provides the ideal cool and slightly humid environment, helping your romaine stay fresh for up to 1 week or even longer. To further maximize freshness, avoid storing your romaine near fruits like apples or bananas, which release ethylene gas that can accelerate spoilage. Make it a habit to check your lettuce daily, removing any leaves that show signs of wilting or discoloration to prevent it from affecting the rest. By following these steps, your romaine will stay crisp and delicious for much longer. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.